Hello everyone. This is something most of you have experienced for sure. Reached hospital in the morning but still couldn't get into the doctor's cabin, right? We hear this almost every day that there's a long waiting outside the OPD, and sometimes it's a very arduous task for the OPD receptionist to calm down one of the highly vexed patient or the patient attender. And at times there are these allegations thrown at the doctor, the nursing staff or the receptionist of being partial towards some patient or the others. Just remember, no doctor deliberately wants to make his or her patient wait for long. But the profession and the kind of work is such that it happens most of the time. A doctor always has to balance between making a diagnosis and the whole consultation process quicker and not missing out on some points which could be menacing to the patient. You might be waiting longer than usual because of the following points. First and foremost, it's almost impossible for me or for any doctor to predict the amount of time required for the next in line patient for his consultation. Sometimes a patient may require just 10 minutes for consultation, while some other patient with the same diagnosis may require more than 30 minutes. And there are occasions when a doctor has to listen to the entire history carefully without looking at his watch, even when he knows that the history is not relevant, just so that the patient is assured that his complaints are given adequate attention. And then everything may seem pretty straightforward, right? Like you walk into a doctor's clinic, he takes your history, does the examination, makes a diagnosis and then gives you treatment, and then you're good to go home. But most of the cases don't end up this way. There are occasions when a doctor needs to prod a little more to get some of the other history, or he may have to order for some of the other investigation and then maybe give a couple of extra advices. Well, these things add up to the consultation time while making the next patient outside the room wait for his turn. Sometimes in between the routine OPD, doctor may have to rush to casualty to attend some emergency patient who, if not attended, may lose his life. So that again adds to the OPD backlog. And then there may be occasions when the OPD itself may get prolonged because the doctor did not complete his prior task on time. Because we don't have the option of leaving while the job is half done, maybe something like an operation or some bedside procedure. So that again leads to unduly delay in the doctor reaching his or her cabin. And then there may be occasions where there's a patient whose turn may be after yours but may require sort of urgent attention. So then again we may have to skip the queue and attend that patient first. Some patients may require assistance for their movement, maybe in the form of wheelchair or trolley, or may walk very slowly. Now these things, even though not very significant, but do add up to the consultation time that is consumed. And then it goes without saying that the scenes are so not just in India, it's the same all over the world. And in fact, if you see the waiting period for a doctor, India is not even in the top 5 or top 10 actually. The other countries have longer waiting periods in the OPD. Please understand that trying to keep up with time by hurrying up in the OPD may be detrimental to the patient and may even jeopardize his or her life. So please be patient and wait for your turn, as no doctor will leave you unattended if you have taken his appointment, and unless there is no real medical emergency. And when it's your turn, trust me, you will get all the attention and equal opportunity, and we'll be glad to listen to your entire history without even looking at our watch and not bothered by the time of day or night it is. So these were few points about OPD consultation, and I hope I was able to make at least a few points clear to you about the hospital OPDs. And if you felt this video was useful, do like it, do share it among your friends and family. And if you want such health and wellness related videos, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.